Alright guys, for this piece, one thing we did notice was that how rough this plastic face is. So you really do not want to rely on putting the material on this. First of all, vinyl does not like this kind of plastic, so it will not stick. So we were noticing a lot of lifting coming up through here. So you're going to want to put this graphic right along the body line. So you're going to have a little bit of a void, but realize that that's why we are doing this. So we're going to line this piece up. We're going to set it up here right on this body line. Make sure we're consistent with the other side. Okay. We're going to take this across. Way we know we're staying consistent. Might have to reset it a time or two. Okay. And we gave enough vinyl at the top to where you can still yet tuck it underneath the spoiler to give it that nice finished look. Now I'm not going to shove the material underneath the spoiler just yet. We're going to take off the mask in order to do so. But you want to first make sure that all of this is in there nice and firm. As you notice, that was not firm squeegee stroke earlier. So I want to get this peeled back up and laid back down. Benefit of the Supreme wrap right there. Alright, so I'm going to take off this mask. Might have to help hold the vinyl down there. Okay, the firm squeegee stroke, you need to just get it tucked right away in there. Alright, I'm going to post heat this and you are good to go. Alright guys, here's the bumper piece. Once again, get it lined up, get your grease marks. Just like the front bumper, make sure you stay consistent with your void going across, and we're going to get installing this piece. Alright, so we got it in place here. Go ahead and get this flat start done here. And then we will start working up over this bend. Might be one of those where once again when we start working up, you're going to start seeing those fingers gathering right in here. So like always, just work towards the outside. And we will keep continuing to do that. Make sure you're staying consistent with your void. All those fingers will go out. Work back over that, firm squeegee strokes. Okay, now right down here along this edge is just going to barely roll along that edge. So you might work at first with your thumb just to get that roll started. Okay. this little piece here will tuck right in there. So we've got nice and got a good roll going, got no wrinkles. And this piece is done. Alright guys, this is the last piece. Granted, this will mostly be covered up by a license plate. This piece is going to roll and tuck in. There will be a little bit of a void up top, so don't worry about that, because once again it will be covered. So we've already got our marks made. Line up. Once again, this piece, sometimes it might be easier to take off the the mask and then roll it. It's kind of your preference on this piece, but alright, so now we got the mask off. Now we can come back in and tuck and roll the vinyl. Give it a nice, clean, finished look.